This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create database tables in Supabase. Whether you're setting up a new project or just organizing your existing data, creating tables in Supabase is a straightforward process that you can accomplish in just a few steps. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to supabase.com. Supabase is a powerful, open-source alternative to services like Firebase, and it provides a lot of flexibility for developers working with databases. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a list of your existing projects if you have any. Next, you'll want to select the project where you want to create your new table. Simply click on it to open your project dashboard. This is where you'll manage all of your database activities. If you're just starting out, you may need to create a new project first, which you can do by following the prompts on the site. Now that you're in your project dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Click on the Table Editor option. This is your main tool for managing database tables within Supabase and is designed to make the process as intuitive as possible. With the Table Editor open, you'll notice an option that says Create a Table. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a form where you can define the specifics of your new table. It's important to take a moment here to think about the structure of your table. What kind of data will it store? How will this data relate to other tables in your database? The next step is to enter a name and a description for your table. The name should be something descriptive that clearly conveys the purpose of the table. The description is optional but can be very helpful for providing context to anyone else who might work on the project in the future. After you've set up your table's name and description, it's time to define the columns. Each column represents a different piece of data that your table will store. For each column, you'll need to specify the data type such as text, integer, or timestamp, and you can also set constraints like not null or unique. If your table needs to reference data from another table, you can also add foreign keys at this stage. Foreign keys are crucial for maintaining the relationships between tables in a relational database. Once you have your columns set up the way you want them, the final step is to save your new table. Simply click the Save button, and Supabase will create the table with your specified settings. Congratulations! You've just created a new database table in Supabase. This process is designed to be as simple and efficient as possible, so you can focus on what matters most building your application. Remember, if you need to make changes to your table, you can always return to the table editor and adjust your settings as needed. And that's it. You now know how to create database tables in Supabase. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to explore the other features Supabase offers to enhance your database and application development. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.